Today, we will talk about the difference between the future simple and future continuous and some examples. The future simple is an action which is started in the future or completed in the future. I will wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. I will have a shower after I wake up. I will have breakfast after my shower. It is formed with subject plus will plus verb. The future continuous, however, refers to a time when the action will not be finished, but will be being done. It happens in the middle of a future action or time. Tomorrow, I will have a maths class from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. I will be studying maths at 11 a.m. tomorrow. I will be in the middle of this action, in the middle of studying maths. The action is not completed. Next Friday, you will have a train journey from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. I will be sitting on the train at 2 p.m. on Friday. I will be in the middle of this action, in the middle of my train journey. The action is not completed. Next month, for the whole month of August, you have a holiday and don't want anyone to call you with work phone calls on the 15th of August. Don't call me on the 15th of August. I will be relaxing on holiday. I will be in the middle of this action, in the middle of the holiday. The action is not completed. We form the past continuous with subject plus will be plus ing verb. For example, I will be doing. We will be doing. You will be doing. He will be doing. She will be doing. It will be doing. They will be doing. The best way to remember the future continuous is this. Future continuous is during the middle of a future action or event. Future continuous is during the middle of a future action or event. Future continuous is during the middle of a future action or event. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section below.
Hi guys! Thanks for watching English Made Simple. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and comment below and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, make sure to ask and we will try to answer. See you next time and have a great day.